home reset at my daughter's. Hi, it's Sharon, and I'm doing a home reset at my daughter's.
And I'm doing a clean for free. Yay! Got this all dusted. Now we can put the decor back.
Oh, that stands up straight. It's just really tippy.
Maybe I should show it. She has a very nice little fall decor here. We're going to put it under her new coffee table. And the coffee table came from
Wayfair.
Wayfair. You bought a couple of coffee tables off.
Yeah, the one downstairs is from Wayfair as well.
Yeah. Do we put something on here first?
No.
Oh, okay. So her artichokes, like my artichokes, go there. And she has a pretty candle. La-di-da Spa.
It's a company.
Lemongrass, lilac, and patchouli oil. Patchouli. Ooh, that smells nice.
It's a company out of Lethbridge, actually.
Oh, really? Nice little candle. We're replacing it on the coaster. There. And her big pumpkin. This is wood. Oh no, resin.
It's resin.
Yeah, it's really pretty. It's really heavy. Home Sense. $19.99. And there's her beautiful coffee table for the fall. Okay, I dusted the shelves. And I've dusted the stuff on this table, but haven't dusted it. So I'm going to do that next. We're going to get all the dusting in the living room done.
And I'm going to move the air conditioner too.
Oh yeah, we're going to get rid of the air conditioner.
And that's a basket of dog toys.
And the basket of dog Nana stuff. Nana can put her stuff out of here. That'll work good.
Well, I'm sorry it's so dark. I'm not sure, but I'm using my phone. And it's a new phone. I'm just showing you some puppy toys that we're going to put away. Yes, when you have puppies, you have lots of toys. And Jody back there is getting rid of her air conditioner. It's a portable air conditioner where you put the hose into the window. And now that it's kind of fall out, you don't really need the air conditioner. It cools off enough at night to make it nice and cool through the day. And at this time, while I'm talking to you, I'll ask you if you could please subscribe to my channel. And if you like my content, give me a big thumbs up. And also leave me a comment so I know who's out there. And I'd like to welcome any of my new subscribers. Thank you so much, Robin, for doing the last Sunday home reset with me. And I got lots of subscribers coming over from her channel. What a pleasure that was to do that collaboration with Robin. Thanks again, Robin. You're the best. Okay, let's get on with the cleaning.
These are pretty leaves. I love these leaves, actually.
Winners.
Where'd you get them?
Winners.
At Winners.
It's the whole thing. I think the whole thing was $9.
Oh, the whole thing.
It was $9.99.
Little vase.
Yeah, I had it on my coffee table last year.
Oh, and this cute little tray.
Winners as well.
And this
Winners is like
candle holder.
Winners is Canada's TJ Maxx.
That's right. Oh, I need a little. Oh, I got spray. I'm just gonna spray the cloth. The table's not getting a lot of liquid on them. Oh, good. This is lemon. I sit in a good spot or a bad spot?
Oh, you're fine. That candle holder is also from Winners.
Oh, good old Winners and Cranbrook. I do like the Winners and Cranbrook.
We do have a nice Winners, yeah.
That's where I got my
Twist it around. Twist it around.
That's where I got some of my stuff.
Other way. Other way. Keep going.
Huh?
Keep going. There you go.
There.
This fake plant from Winners. Fakey Fakersons. And
The lamp you got, the lamp she got at a garage sale. And it's really pretty. It's a light green. It's
$10.
Really pretty. And it's just so nice in that corner. Okay, so let's get into the goody. Can you see it? The dirt? People like this part. Okay.
Yep.
And we're going to wipe the dirt off.
And I'm going to pause it because
Now we're going to use this neat little brush. And we're going to get into these nasty corners. So let's go over here and see what we're pulling out of there. That's pretty good. So that will be, and we'll take our cloth and wipe it away. And I'm going to do along the bottom. Oh, maybe I'll go up too. Why not? Just because we're here, we may as well do it. Okay, now that looks much better. And we'll continue along. Okay, there's a nice little grungy corner we can get into.
You can use the other end. It's like a pick.
Oh, and the other end's like a pick. Well, I might have to get me one of these.
You know, I just realized I could use them for this.
Mm.
Because I've always wondered how to get these windows since, like,
Sills
cleaner.
because they do collect. Okay, now I'm going to wipe it out with the cloth. Okay, now I'll just get right back in this corner. Now, that is very satisfying to get that clean. You want to get the brush? Oh, there's a little blue thing. Oh, is that part of the brush? No.
Nope.
Okay. Okay. It's looking, compare this to, looks really good. And we'll go right in between where we are. Okay. Oh, I got it. Okay. Good stuff. Now, there we go. Yeah, that brush works great. A detailing brush. A detailing brush to get the little grungy parts out. Something else that works really well is one of those things that shoots steam.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, Auntie Chris had one of those and she loved it. Got all her grunge out. Oh, that's the space there. Okay.
If you know
Yeah,
what that
must be for the
space
window
is, let us know in the
expansion.
comments. We'd really like
Why
to
it's
know.
there.
Okay. I hope you enjoyed this little bit of grunginess. I know we enjoyed cleaning it. It always feels so good when you get this little thing done in your home and you know it's nice and clean. And it'll probably, won't last that long, but hey, it isn't summer, so the windows won't be open as much. Anyhow, the windowsill is nice and clean, and she'll probably move her furniture around soon, so you'll be able to see it. This is a cool book that Jody got. Did you get this at
Home Sense and
Home
Lethbridge.
Sense? Okay. Yep. Eat, drink, and nap. 3 of my favorite things to do. And she uses it as a riser on her table that I just dusted. And she has her beautiful dahlia, faux dahlias sitting on top of that. And down below she has this beautiful tray, a pumpkin, a candle, a nice big thick candle. It smells good. It smells like honey.
Yeah, it's beeswax
Oh,
candle.
it's beeswax. Okay. And the round ball that she puts right there. And Google. Google, say hello. Hey Google, say hello.
I'd love to talk. I can talk about lots of things, from telling you the weather to helping you get directions to playing awesome music.
Thank you. Beautiful leaves, a beautiful vase. I always find such pretty leaves and stuff.
IKEA and HomeSense.
Home Sense.
That's actually, I think, from Joanne Fabric.
The pumpkin?
Yeah. Or it could be from Michael's.
It doesn't have a tag on it, so
No.
I'm not sure, but I love the wooden pumpkin.
Yeah.
It's very pretty. And another little tray wooden riser. She has those
Winners.
in her house. This is a dresser she painted a long time ago.
I didn't paint it. I bought it
you
painted.
bought it this way.
And I changed the doorknobs, or the drawer knobs.
Oh, okay. And the doorknobs are really sweet. You should get a close up. Aren't they cute? Okay, we'll move this stuff over here.
Oops. Sorry, bud.
She's starting a new plant. Jody has lots of live plants too.
Trying to keep it alive, actually.
You do pretty good with your plants.
I do not too bad.
And these are some more books she has. Live Beautiful. Home and Body.
No, homebody.
Oh, Homebody. That's our Jody. She's a homebody. At Home with Jane Austen. She's a Jane Austen fan. And Sacred Spaces. I'm going to have a look at some of these books. They look pretty awesome.
Yeah, they're quite pretty. I like to just sit and flip through them.
Flip through them. And she has her nice hand bookends. She has her nice hand bookends. Where's some spray? There we go. Just get that out. Squirts. And let that dry a little bit.
Do you want to get
For
the drawer? There's some marks on it.
before we put the books back, you always have to let it dry. Did I get the marks?
I think so.
Okay.
Thanks, Mama.
Yeah. Get that side.
Yep.
I'll get this side. And her mother-in-law time. Okay.
Go out further. Just beautiful. These are the beautiful fall cushions on her couch. And they came from
Etsy and Amazon.
Etsy and Amazon. She ordered those. Did you get the whole cushion or just
I
the...
ordered the inserts and the brown ones from Amazon, and the floral ones are from Etsy.
Oh. Good.
And they're all both linen.
Oh, nice. That's why they feel so nice. So, we're doing good.
Oops. And it smells so nice and fresh in here. Okay, buddy, get back here. My dog's falling off the chair. Silly doggy. There we go. Okay. It's all dusted and clean. And there's the Rusty sleeping on the clean floor. And we started in the dining room. And we're moving into the living room. And it's all dusted and clean. And vacuumed and mopped. And the fall decor is out.
Sorry, some of my video is dark in some spots. I have a new phone and I decided to use it to video this. So I'm just experimenting. I'll have to check it out. Thank you very much for watching and spending some time with my daughter and I. We always like to do videos together, as you can tell from this one. And thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!